It's kind of weird, but the sun is setting right now. I wanted to do this cute video idea, but it's gonna end up being something else. It's gonna be kind of like a vlog. So I had this video idea, but I didn't have really the time or the energy to put all the parts together in a way that I wanted to present it to you guys in a video. So I'm gonna do more of a vlog style. I'm working Sunday through Wednesday this week, so that's part of the reason why I know I'm not going to have a lot of time and energy to put into this video that I want to put in, so that might be out next week. But welcome you guys to my channel. I'm about to do a 15-minute full body yoga stretch today for my movement. It's about to be 4:20 right now, so it's the afternoon evening, and I work tomorrow at 5 a.m. Working so early has definitely been an adjustment to get used to, and I definitely feel like it really shortens my evenings because I have to go to bed so early. But I just try to take that in stride and make the most of my time. So I'm finishing up some laundry. You can see my activewear hanging to dry. About to get my movement in. I'll probably take a quick shower before my sister and I were going to put together dinner. My mom's out of town right now, so it's just my sister and I for the next couple days, doing some Cobb salads. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be eating as well, which I'm a little bit worried about because I don't really have a lot of stuff ready for me to eat in the mornings. I'm about to do yoga with birds. Let me show you guys the one I'm doing right now. This one is for tension and sore muscles. I honestly have been feeling so good with my back lately. I actually deadlifted for the first time yesterday, and I wasn't able to go to my heaviest, but it went pretty heavy, and that was just so exciting because of the back thing I've been going through. So being back to being able to do my favorite exercise was the highlight of my week. Like, that just made me so happy and so excited and just so grateful for my healing. Because I've been out of work for COVID, I had a lot of rest, so I worked out every single day. My body has been pretty sore all over, which is normal, comes with the territory. But I was just snacking a bit on some of this Chex Mix, you guys. This is my favorite. I love cheddar flavored things. This is definitely one of my favorites. It's not healthy whatsoever, but it is a nice snack. So I was just snacking on that. Now I'm about to head into the kitchen and get started on dinner. We're doing Cobb salads. The only thing we're missing is cucumber, which I forgot literally 2 or 3 times to pick up from the store, which we're not going to go there. But it happens. It's okay. We'll be fine without the cucumber. Cooking bacon for our Cobb salads. I'm going to hard boil an egg, corn, avocado, tomato, onion, and also some green onion. And I'm about to have some Riesling.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Alrighty gang, so this is what the finished salad looks like. Ended up doing about half a capful of extra virgin olive oil on top for dressing, along with a generous portion of my favorite balsamic glaze. You guys, it is so good. This is by far one of my favorite dressings of all time. You can honestly have it on its own, but when I have a bigger salad, I prefer to add it with some oil. I've even used grapeseed oil before in the past to help it spread out more. Plus the oil just adds a little bit more healthy fats. You've got egg and bacon for protein, healthy fats with our avocado and olive oil, yummy tomato, 2 types of onion, green onion and red, corn as well. We like to do salads big, vibrant, colorful, and of course full of flavor here. So obviously it's really early because I work at 5 a.m. so I get up around this time so that I can get ready for work. So I actually keep my glass in here. My morning cocktail. Happy Sunday. Cheers. This angle is not very flattering, but it's for about 4:15 and I did my journaling and stuff. But now I'm going to take my seed probiotic. You're supposed to take it on an empty stomach, so I'm going to go ahead and just take one this morning. I'm well aware it probably looks crazy me getting up this early and being able to function, but it just takes practice. And I have a lot of things prepped as well that helps a lot. So I have bacon that we cooked last night. I'm going to heat that up first, part of my breakfast. I have a burger from a couple days ago for lunch that's leftovers. Also some sweet potato waffle fries. And as you guys probably remember, I cut up some stuff last night that I'm going to have with my breakfast. So really I can throw together breakfast in probably like 5 minutes. And then I prepped my lunch last night. So I'm just throwing that into my lunch bag. Eggs as well. Eggs are honestly just the quickest breakfast you could throw together and still be satiated and full. Something else I prepared last night is my juice. So this looks like this. So this is the Immunity Superfood Boost. I love this. I did 12 ounces in here and then I filled the rest up with water. I really like the way it tastes on its own and also diluted. So I'll literally just bring this to work and I'll sip on this as well. It's way easier just to have everything ready. I even have like some ketchup and mustard for my burger. Minimize the things I have to do in the morning before I have to go. Chips, my bun for my burger, a banana, my actual burger, and then also my sweet potato fries. And then my lunch is ready to go. So it's about 4:33 right now. I'm kind of just putting this in the pan while it warms up to heat it up, and then I'm going to scramble a couple of eggs. It literally heated up so quickly. I don't know if you can tell that it's already sizzling. So is this the prettiest thing I've ever made? No, but is it going to be so tasty and filling and satisfying? Absolutely. Literally 4:38, you guys, and I have to leave in about 12 minutes. I'm back from work, you guys. I got up late. I had the longest day. And I just want to take a second to talk about energy and how you expend your energy in your life and how that affects other areas. So at my job, I expend so much energy. Like I leave feeling, I feel so exhausted. I could probably go to sleep right now, but of course I need to wake up early tomorrow. So I can't really take a nap when I have to be in bed in the next couple of hours. But the thing I've noticed about the job that I have right now is it definitely spills into other areas of my life. Like creatively, I feel so drained and exhausted. From working. It's like I don't have the energy to put into creating content in the way that I would like. And the past week or two when I had off from my back and then I had COVID, it really allowed me to still have that free time again like I had before I had to started working at this job. And it just really made me miss it. And this shift was just so long. I got up at 2. I worked from 5 to 2. And it's not like a job where you're standing around. Like I literally from 5 to 2 was moving weight. Like lifting stuff, stocking stuff for hours with a 30-minute break. I'm probably going to grab, I'm thinking either some water or some juice, something else, like because of that, because of the lack of energy that I have. I come home and I'm like, I kind of just want to eat everything. I don't want to eat healthy. I just want to put something in my mouth to kind of like, I feel like I'm craving that energy. So I think instead of doing that, it's only 3, so I'm probably gonna have like a cup of coffee to help with energy, caffeine, and then also it does help to keep me from craving and eating too many unhealthy snacks. I do have some seaweed snacks. I'm going to have this, and then I also have from my lunch box the rest of these. I had this in my watching Michelle McDaniel. She's by far one of my favorite creators. Michelle, her channel is My Thoughts Will Probably Offend You, but I love her channel. But I'm also gonna have, I finished those 2 little snacks and now I'm gonna have these multi-grain tortilla chips. I'm obsessed with these. I don't know why I love the way that they taste. Yep. So I'm gonna have that with some of this thick, chunky, hot, vegan, gluten-free salsa. This one's really, really good. I actually put it in a dish, you guys. I think portion control, I don't even like to use the word control, but like being monitoring and being aware of your proportions is huge in a snack like chips and salsa. Have y'all ever been to a Mexican restaurant and they give you the free chips and salsa? I'll literally just mindlessly eat them, which is not the best habit to have, and I'll definitely do that in the comfort of my home, in my robe, watching Michelle McDaniel. So I just put a little bit in this dish, just so I can kind of watch myself and make sure I'm saving space for dinner as well. We have some barbecue jerk chicken, which I just mixed barbecue sauce with jerk sauce, and it really does add such a nice flavor to the chicken wings. And then I just made some broccoli, kind of like to steam it or saute it with a bit of water. I like my vegetables crunchy and actually less cooked. I don't like them when they get soft and soggy. I definitely like them crunchy, so I kind of steam them like this. And then my sister and I made some mac and cheese, and we baked it for 30 minutes. You guys see the crust around the edge? That's the part I live for. It was bubbling and all delicious straight out the oven. I'm so excited. As much as I want to tell you guys, like, I eat healthy all day, every day. It's 4:40 a.m. I'm making a cup of coffee and I'm eating dumplings for breakfast. So instead of being upset, I kind of just roll with it. Sorry, my coffee's brewing. And I just listen to my body. And some days I don't feel like today I did not feel like making eggs. Gang, so I got home a bit ago. It's almost noon now. I'm gonna head to the gym for a quads and calves work. I'm just happy to have the energy to go to the gym. So I'm gonna make some pre-workout, get my water ready, and kill this workout. Of course, I'm wearing Honor Active. I'm wearing this black top that I got from Target a while ago. Leggings from Honor Active. I'm wearing my black chucks so that I can squat and also leg press today. So I'm gonna go kill this workout and I'll see if I can get some clips for y'all. Still obsessed with baby snacks. Alrighty guys, for dinner we decided to make tacos, and I made gorditas, which is where you just take a soft shell taco, you melt some cheese on it in a pan, and then you drop in a broken hard shell taco, or you can even use a tostada. You guys, this is so good. 5 calorie, 0 sugar drink, so I'm gonna be drinking that. My Takis.